Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, you will learn how to fix Superbox Live TV not working, troubleshooting steps to restore your live TV channels easily.
Fix 1. Check internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Step 2. Restart your router and wait for 30 seconds. Step 3. Reconnect your Superbox to Wi-Fi and test Live TV again. Fix 2. Restart your Superbox. Step 1. Unplug the Superbox power cable. Step 2. Wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Step 3. Turn it on and open Live TV again. Fix 3. Update the Superbox app. Step 1. Go to App Store or App Manager on your Superbox. Step 2. Find the Live TV app and check for updates. Step 3. Install the update and restart the app. Fix 4. Clear cache and data. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Live TV. Step 2. Select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 3. Restart the Superbox and try streaming again. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, Network, Reset Network. Step 2. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Launch Live TV again. Fix 6. Factory reset Superbox. Step 1. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset. Step 2. Choose Factory Reset. Step 2. Choose Factory Reset. Step 3. Set up your device again and check Live TV.